China is set to cancel broadcasting of the Premier League this weekend. That's the football. That's the soccer. It's a big deal. That's the three Billies we were talking about. That's the Chelsea we were talking about. That's the oligarchs we were talking about. Premier League, there's expectations that this weekend there's going to be signs and showcases of solidarity in the Ukraine situation as they get on the broadcast. I don't know what they're wearing, armband. Are they going to have a moment of silence? What are they going to do?
Yeah, I don't know.
No, but China's worried, I guess, about what they're going to do. At least that's what this report claims, that they might just kick the whole thing off the air because they don't want this influence coming across the state-owned channels and such. I want to keep it a little bit hush. As reported by the BBC, China's actions come as a result of the top flight's plans to demonstrate a further show of solidarity with Ukraine following the invasion of the country by Russia. China has denounced economic sanctions that have been imposed by the UK and the EU against Russia and blamed the US and its allies for provoking Moscow. So their message seems to be sort of lined up there with Putin. I mean, they did the 5,000 words. Yeah. They talked about NATO at the Olympics. They're like, we're not big on the NATO. We're not in the NATO. We don't like the NATO. You don't need 5,000 words. They use 5,000 words to say basically that.
Yeah.
And we don't like NATO getting closer to us. Yeah. Who do they think they are? We are the real. I said there's something in there about democracy. We're the real. Oh. We're going to bring true democracy. Coming from the guys who have been in power for 47 years.
Yeah, exactly.
Will, take it easy over there. Will's like, yes, exactly. Jeez. Let him hear it, Will. Get it off your chest.
No, I'm good.
You guys are professionals now. You know that?
Go ahead.
The two of you are sharp these days. I got to be honest. This practice makes perfect thing. Yeah. I mean, you even got, what is that, a travel mug you got now?
Yeah. I'm ready to go.
That's incredible stuff. So,